YouTube. Eric DIY here with another great review for you. Tonight we're going to review the Uponun solar color changing floodlight. So I've had this installed for basically a couple weeks here. I wanted to give a really good test. Do not pay attention to the lights over there or the path lights. It's more about the color changing light right here. And I will show you my application first, but you can clearly see that there's changing colors and a solar panel. It basically just goes to whatever color you want. It's highly adjustable, and you could do a lot of things with it. This summer we did a lot of landscape changes here. We lit up everything at night. These lights I had from a long time ago, but I wanted something that really accent that bridge, which I'm eventually going to get rid of because that's pretty beaten down. But when we get a nice one, it's going to look even better. And I have this bathing different color lights on the bridge just for effect. Again, with a better bridge, I think it's going to come out a lot better. But the light itself has been really fantastic. It throws a lot of light too. So, and it only comes on at night. It goes on and off according to the solar panel. So when it's charging during the day, it doesn't go on, and at night it does. Now, as far as the floodlight itself, it comes with a manual and a remote control. So it tells you everything you need to know. Big lithium battery in there, 60 LEDs, red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, purple, orange mix. It's color changing. Again, I just have it kind of rotating through all the different colors right now. It's charge time of 6 to 8 hours, and it works for about 10 to 12 hours once it's fully charged. But I haven't had any problems, but we're facing south, so we shouldn't have any. The remote has many different features. You can turn it on and off according to the on and off switch right here. Auto mode will basically just put it into charging in sunlight and then turning on at night, so that way it turns on and off automatically. You have red, you have blue, you have green, color changing mixed colors. Mode will basically switch the light colors. So let's push the mode button a couple times. There's red, there's orange, you can go blue, green, red. Again, mode will get you those colors in between. So kind of just leave it on auto though, and it should switch between all of them. You can decide how long you want to leave it on for. I have it for the maximum 8 hours, but you can do it 3 hours and it'll turn off if that's what you want. And other than that, that's pretty much what the remote control does. It just switches the lights on what you want. So even though I'm using it on the ground, they do have a bracket that you can install to go against the house. It's very waterproof on the wiring. It has waterproof connectors, and again, the solar panel can be basically mounted as well. They give you all these mounts in the box, but again, I'm using it for my landscape, so that's why I kind of left those brackets off. They give you many ideas in the manual on what to do, and they tell you everything that you need to know. So I mean, it's a pretty nice light. Again, it's not really for lighting up security wise as much, more of an accent, if you will. So but I've liked it a lot, and I've kept it out here basically for almost a month, like I said, so we know it holds up to the elements. It's been wicked hot up here in the Northeast. It's rained a lot, and it has survived. So overall, this is one of my shorter reviews. That's because there's really not much to be said. It's a great product. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. It accent lights in different colors. You can have any combination of 7 colors you want. And as soon as I get a better bridge out there, I think it'll look a little bit more fantastic. And it's not the light's fault, it's the bridge. So if you'd like to purchase your Uponun 7 color changing solar floodlight, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own. Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all your support. Thank you, and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.